Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we talk about fitness, health, and wellness. My freckles say hello as well. I'm trying to give them a little bit of fresh air from having makeup all over my face. Anyway, let's get into this best friend. So today's video is going to be a short guide through the Nutrisystem website. I think that some people might not be utilizing it as much as they can be. Also, I'm going to show you where you can get help through them directly and where the nutrition guides, like the grocery guides and everything like that are. I think that that will be a really big help. So stay tuned. Oh, but also, if you are also on your health journey, don't be too hard on yourself. Remember, it is not a race. It is, in fact, a journey. So if you're already on Nutrisystem, check out the Nutrisystem playlist that I have below, and hopefully that will help you and answer some more questions for you, or maybe just get some motivation for your health journey through Nutrisystem. And if you're not on Nutrisystem, don't worry, I got you, girl, because I'm going to be coming out with regular health videos, with fitness videos, and what I eat in a day's healthy eating to just live your best healthy life, whether you're on Nutrisystem or not. And as always, don't forget to smash that like button down below if these videos have been helpful to you. And as always, again, 50% off down below for your first Nutrisystem order. The link will be down in the description and in the comments. All right, best friend, let's get into this. So when you first get into Nutrisystem, it takes you to the dashboard, and then there's the counseling, guides, and shop tabs. Up top, it says you can track with Numi, get tips and recipes from the Leaf. So this is a separate website. It takes you to the Leaf website, and then you can click into your profile. Down here you can go into your favorites, so any foods that you might have saved that you know that you really liked, that way you can order later. Your order history, your profile again, and then just quick facts, common questions that people ask about Nutrisystem. So we're going to start with counseling. And I showed you this in one of my other videos. I'll link that up above if you'd like. I just gave you some tips about the website. So there's 3 different options, and for any of these, you don't have to reserve your appointments or schedules. You can just chat right away, email, or talk on the phone. So the chat features is something that I usually prefer. I don't like making phone calls, so I just find this to be the most easy and convenient. It's 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can email, although it says to please allow up to 24 hours to receive a reply, so this one is probably the slowest if you have a quick question. The third option is calling to talk one-on-one, which can be convenient to some people if they have multiple questions or if they know that they're going to have follow-up questions. This is the phone number. You can call Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. again, Eastern Standard Time. Otherwise, Saturday and Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Next, we're going to click into guides, and then they have different options: getting started guide, my daily 3, my meal plan grocery guide, and eating out guide. I actually did a video on this. If you guys are interested, I will link that. But let's just go ahead and click getting started guide, and I'll show you guys the different guides that they have for Nutrisystem. So getting started. This is going to be the shortest one. It just has some steps, like you order your frozen fruit and treats, you want to put them into the freezer, make room for them, go shopping for your vegetables, your powerful fuels, smart carbs, and then you can actually just click onto grocery guide from right there. And then step 3 is just measure up, making sure that you are writing down your stats and logging measurements monthly and tracking all of your progress. Then on the side over here, it actually has all of your guides right here. So I'll just click into daily 3. So just a brief description of your daily 3. They want you to take an assessment just to kind of see where you are physically and to determine a customized fitness activity plan for you. So that's just kind of what it describes down here, how much activity is involved with my daily 3. They break everything down for you, usually into 10-minute manageable increments, performed 3 times a day. You can combine those increments into one pulse pumping 30-minute session for 2 15-minute shape up stints, whatever works for you. So basically this is all going to depend on your activity level and what is doable for you. Now we're going to get into the grocery guide. I feel like this is one that a lot of people have been asking about lately. They just want to know what kinds of foods they should be eating on the plan and what kinds of foods they should be buying at the store. So we're going to see what Nutrisystem has to say about all of this. So first, just like in the packet of the last video that I showed you guys, breaking everything down, it tells you what you should be eating, how much of it you should be eating, like a power fuel, Nutrisystem entree, another power fuel, for breakfast, for your morning snack, for lunch, for your afternoon snack, for dinner. So Power Fuel, Smart Carb. Nutrisystem entree, Power Fuel for breakfast, things like that. 3 snacks per day, and then you can switch these on and off for flex meals. And then it's going to look a little bit different depending if you are doing a flex meal day. Scrolling down, it reminds you about the 4 servings of vegetables, 64 ounces of water, 30 minutes of activity, they say at least. And then they remind you you can track with the Numi app, the meal tracking. This, I know it's free when you do Nutrisystem, but then afterward, if you're not with them, I think that you're going to have to start paying for it, where MyFitnessPal is completely free. So that's just what I prefer. And then your grocery guide. Now this is just the general overview of your Power Fuel, Smart Carbs, vegetables. It talks about servings, what they are, your free foods, extra water. If you guys want to deep dive a little bit into this, watch my last video and we'll talk a little bit more about what these are. But I'm going to go down into the grocery list. So now these are broken down into Smart Carbs, Power Fuels, vegetables, extras, and free foods. So then all your Smart Carbs are going to be in alphabetical order right here. And it even goes as far as to tell you what the servings are for each of these things. And then you can go back and forth and figure out what you want to meal plan for your flex meals or for your snacks. And then they also allow you to print this out. That way you can just take it straight to the store with you. Then down below, again, it takes you back to the leaf where you can see recipes for these flex meals, snacks, healthy side snacks, shakes, smoothies, and then tasty takes on Nutrisystem foods, so how you can just amp up your meals. So then the last of the guides is going to be eating out, which I think is going to be really handy for a lot of people. So you have your eating out guides, and what's really cool about this is your do's and don'ts, things that you can pre-plan for, strategies to eat out, but then also all along the side here, it gives you guides for American food, Chinese food, coffee shops, so good choices, bad choices, things like that, tips. Now I don't go out and eat out a whole lot, but I do go to the coffee shops, and then I do like going to movie theaters, which is really cool that they even have this salad bar sporting events. I mean, not a lot of people I think are going to sporting events right now, but still, it just says like good choices opposed to bad choices. Things that will help you retrain your brain, but also it's just going to save a bunch of time because you're not going to be trying to figure everything out as you could get there. You're already going to know what kinds of dishes you're going to be looking for. Italian food for all you people who love your pasta and still want to eat out and have this stuff but don't want to overdo it. So good choices, bad choices. And then the last tab up top is to shop a la carte, or shop your plan. So if you want to change plans, or if you want to choose things individually to buy for your plan, that way you know that everything in your plan you are going to like, you are going to love, you're going to eat, all that fun stuff. It tells you how much of what you're getting. It also tells you the prices of each one, or for each pack, like this is a 7-pack. And then you can break them down into pork dishes, beef dishes, vegetarian, nutrition, preparation, no prep needed, microwave, all that stuff. Scrolling all the way up to the top again, you break things down into breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, sampler packs, shakes, lifestyle, and frozen. Then getting back to the main page, if you do recipes from the Leaf, I'm just going to show you really quick what the Leaf website looks like. Weight loss recipes, inspiration, programs, and then it goes over some of the recipes that you can do, and it also breaks down the calories, it breaks down carbs, protein, and I think it also talks about how many power fuels and how many smart carbs that it has. So comment down below if you guys want me to do a Leaf guide. Alright guys, that was it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe down below, check out my fitness merch store. I love you guys, I appreciate you, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye! Mwah!